How to make gathers using your sewing machine. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'll take you on a step-by-step method on how you can use your sewing machine to make a gather stitch on your dress or any clothes you are sewing. So if this is what you're interested in learning, stay tuned as we dive into the video. Now, I've made a tutorial before, but many of you said it wasn't clear enough, you didn't get it. So I decided to make another tutorial so that this time around, you'll be able to do it. Now, guys, this is it here. And with my shuttle and with my reeler, I'm gonna have to reel our normal thread on our reeler just like this. Now I'll put it inside the shuttle like this, and this tiny holder is there. I'm going to pass it into just normal way you pass your thread if you want to sew. Then I'll use my hand and hold it up like this, and I'll put it inside the top of this place here. I hope you see what I'm doing, and I'll drag it out just like this. So after doing that, the next thing we'll go ahead and do is to take the tip of the thread and open the upper part of the shuttle just like this, and I'll pass it into that hole there to come out from this part here. And I'll also drag it out just like this. So guys, this is it. Now I'll go ahead and just put it in our machine like this. I hope you can see. So guys, now I'll go ahead and drag it out, that is down part out like this, and I'll just put it like this. I hope you're following carefully, guys. Now after doing that, the next thing we have to do is make sure this part here is at the down part. Don't allow it to be up. Make sure it's at the down part, like the last part at the down part. Now at this part here, make sure it's not loose. Also, don't make it too tight, just make it a little bit tight. I hope you understand me, guys. Now I'm gonna have to bring the fabric here, and now let's start making our gather stitch. So guys, see, are you seeing what I'm doing? And this is it, guys. This is how to make the gather stitch on your fabric. I hope you see the way it's gathering. So guys, wasn't this tutorial helpful? If you found this helpful, please do well to like this video, share this video to someone who you think will find it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tutorials like this. So guys, now you can see it's well gathered like this, but if you want it to be more gathered, what you have to do is to take the rope here from one, like the front side here, take one single rope like this and just start drawing it. It will be more gathered. Just watch what I mean here. So you just draw it like this. You want yours to be more gathered than it already is. See what I'm doing? So make sure you're careful when you're drawing it so that the rope here doesn't get cut. So just see what I'm doing. You can see how it's looking like. So you just be dragging it and it will give you fuller gathers. So guys, that is all for today's tutorial. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll be seeing you in my next tutorial. So when you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification so you'll be among the first to be notified whenever I upload new tutorials. See you in my next one. Bye.